and so on. Okay, so let me show you my screen right now. What I'm presently showing you right now is a automated AI support agent for WhatsApp. This is basically for WhatsApp. And if you are a business owner and you are not utilizing WhatsApp at this moment with automation, you don't want to wake up in the midnight and start responding to those annoying messages. Now look at this. This is how the automation starts. And right here, what this automation will do is to capture your leads. It's going to capture that person's phone number, name, email, and so on. Now, the next thing it's going to do is going to stand as a receptionist. Now, once it has captured that person's name, it stands as a receptionist when the person probably respond or just walked into your shop or something like that. That is what this particular part does, is a receptionist. Now, what this part does is support. Once they have complaint or any issue with their product, they want to know when delivery is going to be and so on, this is where this is what is going to respond to them. Now, this is sales. Sales is going to any question about how to make payments, how the service operates, and so on. This is what happens. This is what is going to respond to that particular client or customer. And right here is follow-up. Follow-up is when a client has actually reached out to you for a service or is having issue, and sometimes you as a business owner, you would have forgotten to go back to that person's chat and respond to that person or follow up on that person that, hey, do you still want to get this product or not? Or probably has the issue been resolved? Are you now seeing results? Has it been delivered and so on? This is what is going to do that. And this is the brain of the whole system. This is the brain right here. Now let me show you a real life use case of it. I'm going to go to my WhatsApp right now and show you a real life use case of how this entire thing operates. So I've opened up my WhatsApp right here, and this is the agent is now activated. So let's send a message to the agent right now. Let's say something like, hello. Now the agent will respond to this particular message. Now let's wait for the agent to respond. You can see, how can I help you today? Hey, I'm Vic from Metro. So right now we can probably proceed to making a complaint and saying something like, I need help with the last service I got from you guys. Now, once I send this, just wait for the AI agent to respond. It shouldn't take more than few seconds, but it also takes its time so that it won't feel like it's a bot. So right now, what seems to be the problem with the service? What is was it something with the setup or something else? Now this is support responding. The first response was from the receptionist, while this is from support. Now let's say something I think I would just get another service. Now when we say something like this, it would move to the sales agent. Now the sales agent is going to respond to this and say, let me check what's best for you. We've got few different options available. Which service were you thinking of getting? So this is the agent, and you can observe that the agent is actually trying to act human by wrong typing some of the messages just to make it look as humanly possible. And this is the agent working right here. The intro was sent from the receptionist, while the support sent what seems to be the problem. Then the last one was sent from the sales.